This 912 was sold brand new in 1968 at the local Porsche Jaguar dealership here in Cleveland, Ohio, which just so happens to be the same dealership where Roger Penske started out in his early teen years as a porter. This 912 remained with the current owners, the current family, until Bruce took ownership of it about 2 decades ago. The current owners now, everyone in our local community, and here everyone at Porsche Beachwood is excited to get this car back on the road.
Great cars build friendships and memories. And this car has been doing that for decades.
I love learning about these older cars. I remember when I was young, way before I ever worked here, I always wanted to work on old Porsches, and I never thought I'd have the opportunity to. So every time I get to work on these, it's such a treat. Never driven a 912 before, so that's going to be a real treat as well. And just learning about the old mechanics and how these vehicles work and how they run and everything surrounding them, really.
Today we have a very special treat for you. We're going to unveil our 2026 Porsche Restoration Challenge car. This has been in everyone's background here in Cleveland for the past 60 years. And it's really cool to just keep that history alive.